So we're at the point where we can actually start doing some more coding. We want to be able to click on this button to react to the fact it gets clicked and then change information here in the text view. So back to code. What I can do is type in the button's name, so button, and there's button hello pops up because it recognises it now as we've used it already. Button hello dot set. We type in set, lots of things appear. We put in a capital O, right, and look for on click listener. There it's there. Double click on that and it fires this piece up. So it's button hello dot set on click listener. That basically means it's listening for you clicking or tapping on the button. Then type in new lowercase, then a capital V for view, and their view pops up. Press enter or click on that, and then you wait, and lots of stuff appears. Ignore the fact it's there too much. There's lots of stuff there. From here, all the way down to there. I've noticed, of course, there are little curly braces, so what I'll do is I'll bring that one down here, and I'll say start. And this is all about the button, it's also start button, hello. Now that one there links further down. Just get to it, there we go. It's down here, so what I'll do is I'll put it here instead and say end button hello. It's close enough to where the other one was. Over here it says public void on click, so it's basically waiting for you to click. Bring that one down, put in start, on click, and then down there, end on click. And that's how you format the button to make it really readable. If you don't do that, it makes it harder for anyone else to read it. It also makes it harder for yourself to read it as well. The last thing you want to do is have code you can't quite follow because you can't figure out which curly bracket relates to the other one. So this basically means waiting for it to click. So if somebody clicks that button, it will jump here and the code will happen there. Now the code I want to happen is I want to change the thing in the text view. So I start typing in text view, and there's the text view answer, so I'll select that. I want to change that. I want to change something. I want to do this, set T for text, press enter. I'm going to change the text that's there by setting it. And I want to send some information there, basically a string of text. That's why I put double quotes in there. And I'll just say something like, hello to you. It's not very impressive. The idea is it will change the text. Right, so I'll save that just now. There we go. The problem with Android Studio is I can't launch this at the moment so you can see it because it takes a bit of time. What we'll do is I'll go through the process in the next video, how you actually sort of build this thing to make it actually run.